again.
Hi, we're Charlotte and Perry. We travel around the UK and Europe, visiting many different top attractions, from theme parks to zoos to water parks to anything Disney related. We take our camera along the way and film as we go. Now we hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Welcome. So this is the Nala Hotel, and when we go away we don't ever stay at a normal hotel. Generally I always try and find the weird and quirky ones. So as you can see, this is weird and quirky. Come on in. So, what have I knocked off? Don't worry. So this shower looking door is the door we walked in, because as you can see, toilet and our shower. So the toilet and the shower are underneath
our bed.
Our bed. Here we have towels, pillows. Behind the toilet glass door here, we've got our clothes storage, a blanket, we've got a robe and slippers. We've got our mini fridge, coffee machine, water. I just need to double check if you can drink the tap water in this country, because I don't trust it. Oh, I haven't opened this before.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. You're seeing it first hand. I hadn't opened that before. Okay, cool. Charlotte will show you the view.
From our window.
There we go, Charlotte. We was asking about tea and coffee.
Yes,
oh, very cool. Look at the coasters.
Dogs.
Because me and Charlotte aren't into coffee, so the tea, the kettle, will be coming in handy. Charlotte's not been up the stairs before, so do you want me to film, or are you alright film? I'll film walking up the stairs. You can pass me the camera. Alright, go up the stairs. Oh, hi guys. Oh. So this is, so that's our fan. This is our bed. That was our downstairs area. Yep, we've got a Dyson fan. We've got a skylight. So on over here, this remote is for the fan, and this remote here will open that skylight. And then we've got a TV remote. But where's the TV, I wonder? Charlotte, slide the goats. So yeah.
It's a bit weedy up there.
Yeah. And then this is our bed. This is down the stairs. And our little sink and our seating area.
Yeah, that's our tour.
Hey.